All right, guys, a quick hot video here. Cal is coming back. Let me show you what I've done. So far, I'm breaking it down. I put the 4-on-4 hubs back on the front. My spacers for the rear are still out on a green machine back here in the back behind the building. But all I got left to take off on the front is I'm going to take this bumper and the front grille off. And here's the rest of the parts piled up and some stuff there. I know some of y'all are probably going to be upset, but I think it's time to retire the Dixie horn. Put a regular horn in. I want to recapture all that space. Anyway, after I've got it all torn down, and I'll start testing and retuning on the engine, and we'll go from there. I've got a standard stock muffler set up down there on the engine, and I do plan on taking that out. So there you go. Cal is returning. More updates soon.